अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनं शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Gurupurnima, though the name or the term has a spiritual connotation, it is a day we can remember all our teachers from the time we are born. As we grow up, first our parents are our teachers, then in the school there are few teachers who imprint on our minds when we are young. I have a couple of them. Suri sir, as a school going student, a social master, that he always looks at me when he want to ask a question. And there is very kind Mrs. Jayabharati in the college, and Dr. Niranjan Reddy, who is my guru and my teacher forever, for where I stand today as a clinical psychologist. He is all the inspiration, and only from him I know that there is a profession called or there is a course called clinical psychology. All my pronouns. And then I have Dr. Kiran Rao, who is a retired professor from NIMHANS, Bengaluru, where I am trained as a MPhil student. All these teachers has taught me many things that I can forever remember. And when it comes to my personal perspective, it's not the teacher, it is the impressions or the message that teachers leave on your self that makes the most important, significant aspect. Being a learner forever is the most important thing that all the youngsters of today to be remember. I see many youngsters having the feel of I know many things, I know everything. This attitude is not very, helpful for you to grow as a human being. It is the humbleness, the humility that makes you a good student of life, not the possessions or riches or what you have gathered all your life, but someone to whom you can look forward when you are in real need, someone who is accessible to you, someone who is available to you, especially teachers who help you when you are in a real trouble is always remembered. So it is the availability or the presence or the lasting impressions that any teacher, or for that matter anyone, makes on you can be called as, or can be humbly called as your teacher, or and I think this Gurupurnami, or all of you should at least remember those kind hearts who made an impression on your lives. And I have plenty, and I am sharing with you all my memories. Happy Gurupurnami to all. Have a nice, memorable day. Thank you.